day, kids! Welcome to Grade 4 online class. I am Wilfred Caras, your teacher in Mathematics 4. To protect ourselves from coronavirus or COVID-19, always wash your hands with soap and water, or you may use alcohol. Kids, before we start the lesson, let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. O God Almighty, behold us the loving children, offering Thee today our works and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, kind to our companions, diligent to our studies, so that we may merit the blessings for ourselves, our school, and our beloved country, the Philippines. Amen. Welcome to Mathematics 4, and our lesson for today is all about multiplying 2 to 3-digit numbers by 1 to 2-digit numbers. Good day, learners! You have learned how to read and write numbers, as well as rounding, comparing, and arranging numbers. Now, get ready to explore more. We will start to improve your computational skill. After going through this module, you are expected to multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers without regrouping, and multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's see how much you already know the lesson by answering this activity. For letter A, perform the indicated operation to determine which fruit is the product of each tree. And for letter B, solve the following problems. I'll give you a few minutes to finish this activity. Can you recall some of the multiplication facts? Try reciting the table of 3 and 4. No mistakes? Very good! If you did, just keep practicing until you remember them all. Now, try to answer or try to multiply these numbers. What fruit trees grow in your community? What are the benefits of eating fruits? Let's read the problem. Edison helps his parents in harvesting mangoes in their orchard. He puts all the harvested mangoes in 32 baskets, with each basket containing 312 mangoes. How many mangoes are harvested in all? Let's answer the following questions. What is asked in the problem? What operation are you going to use? How will you solve the problem? Let us see if we have the same answer. You need to find out the number of mangoes harvested. So, to solve the problem, you need to multiply 312 by 32. The number sentence is 312 times 32 is equal to blank. Study the solution below using the place value chart. Step 1. Multiply 312 by the ones digit in the multiplier. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And then 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then step 2. Multiply 312 by the tens digit in the multiplier. Okay, so 3, since we don't have answer here, let's put 0. Okay, so 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. And then 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Step 3. add the partial products. Okay, let's add the partial products. Okay. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And then, bring down 9. Okay. Another way to leave the ones place blank instead of writing 0. Okay. So, these are the partial products. Instead of writing 0, leave the ones place blank. Okay, again, instead of writing 0, leave the ones place blank. Okay, so we have the partial product, and then we already added the partial products. So therefore, there are 9,984 mangoes harvested in 32 baskets. Again, so therefore, there are 9,984 mangoes harvested in 32 baskets. Now, kids, let us simplify the explanation. We have 312 times 32. The first group number is called multiplicand. The second group number is called multiplier. 312 times 32. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 3 is equal to, very good, 6. Next, multiplier. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Okay, instead of writing 0 here, just leave it blank. Okay, so 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So the next step is add the partial product. Let's add the partial product. Okay, bring down 4, and then 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and then bring down 9. Okay, so the numbers here, they are called partial products, and then the number here is called the final product. So therefore, the answer in our word problem is 9,984. A while ago, we solved and multiplied numbers without regrouping. How about if regrouping is needed? Let me show you an example. But before that, let's read the word problem. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the city government of Sorsogon bought 35 banyeras of Lao fish at 945 pesos per banyera and distributed by packs to households around the city. How much did the city government of Sorsogon pay in all? To answer this problem, let us multiply 945 by 35. Here's the first step. Multiply 945 by ones. Multiply the ones. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Write 5. 1 is the partial product, and the grouping is 2 tens into the tens place. Okay. Next, multiply 4 tens by 5 ones. Then add the regroup 2 tens. 4 tens times 5 ones. 1 is equal to 20 tens, or 20 is equal to 20. 20 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 22 tens. Write 2 tens in the partial product and regroup two hundreds into the hundreds place. Multiply 9 hundreds by ones, then add the regroup 2 hundreds. 9 hundreds times 5 ones is equal to 45 hundreds. 45 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is equal to 47 hundreds. Write 47 hundreds in the partial product. Step 2. Multiply 945 by 3. Multiply by ones by 3 tenths. 5 times 3 is equal to 15 tenths. Write 5 tenths in the next partial product and regroup 100. Multiply 4 tenths by 3 tenths, then add the regroup 100. 4 tenths by 3 tenths, or 4 tenths times 3 tenths is equal to 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds plus 100 is equal to 13 hundreds. Write 3 hundreds in the partial product and regroup 1000 into the thousands place. Multiply 9 hundreds by 3 tenths, then add the regroup 1000. 9 hundreds times 3 tenths is equal to 27 thousandths. 27 thousandths plus 1000 is equal to 28 thousandths. Write 28 thousandths in the partial product. Step 3. Add the partial products. Okay, let's add the partial products. Bring down 5. And then 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Next, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 0 and then carry 1. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Plus 1 is equal to 13. Write 3 and then carry 1. And then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Multiply by leaving the ones place blank. Leave the ones place blank. Therefore, the city government of Sorsogon paid 33,075 pesos in all. For us to better understand the lesson, let us simplify the explanation. Okay, so we have 945 times 35. Okay, so the first one that we're going to do is to multiply 5 by 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Okay, write 5 and then carry 2. Next, 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is equal to, very good, 20. Plus 2 is equal to 22. And then, write 2 and then carry 2. Okay, 5 times 9 is equal to, very good, 45. Plus 2 is equal to 47. Very good, kids. Next, 3. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Write 5 on the next number. Just leave the ones place on the second partial product. Leave the ones place 0 or write 0 or just leave it blank. Okay? So, 5. Then write 1. Okay, carry 1. 3 plus 4, or 3 rather, 3 times 4 is equal to 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Write 3 and then carry 1. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. Plus 1 is equal to 28. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is to add the partial product. Let's add. Okay, bring down 5. And then 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Alright, 0 and then carry 1. Next is 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Write 3 and then carry 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The answer is 33,075. Okay, that is multiplying numbers in or with regrouping. Again, this multiplication is with regrouping. Let's do these activities. For activity 1, multiply the following numbers. I'll give you a few minutes to finish this activity. For assessment 1, multiply the following numbers. For activity 2, match the multiplication expression in column A with its corresponding product in column B. Write the letter of the correct answer. I'll give you a few minutes to finish this activity. For assessment 2, use the price list to compute the cost of each order. What I have learned. How do you multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with or without regrouping? To multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with or without regrouping, first is multiply the multiplicand by 1's digit in the multiplier, then by 10's digit. Regroup if the product is 10 or more. Then second, add the partial products, then regroup if the sum is 10 or more. Let's proceed to what I can do. For letter A, multiply the given pair of numbers and find the letter that corresponds to the product. Write the correct letter in the boxes below to answer the riddle. And for letter B, read and solve. I'll give you a few minutes to finish this activity. And to assess our lesson for today, do this activity. For letter A, find the product. Number 1, 311 times 2. Number 2, 561 times 7. And number 3, 932 times 36. Number 4, 751 times 72. And number 5, 112 times 31. For letter B, solve the following problems. Number 6, Mr. De Chavez has a Nara plantation. There are 323 Nara trees in a row. If there are 32 rows, how many Nara trees are there in all? Number 7, Nancy buys 12 kilos of grapes. If a kilogram of grapes costs 285 pesos, how much does Nancy pay for the grapes? Number 8, De Rama's family pays 799 pesos a month for internet access. How much will they pay for 1 year? Number 9, every box can be filled with 155 average size oranges. How many average size oranges can fill 8 boxes? Number 10, Mike receives 140 pesos as his daily school allowance. If there are 21 school days in a month, how much is his monthly allowance? Additional activities. Letter A, find each product. Then compare the two products. write the correct symbol, greater than, less than, or equal in the circle. For letter B, read and solve. Number 4, multiply the largest 3-digit number by the smallest 2-digit number. What is the product? And number 5, multiply the smallest 3-digit number by the largest 2-digit number where the digits of each number cannot be repeated. What is the product? That ends our lesson for today, class. See you again. Stay safe. Bye.